nidra hyate nattam babaena chabavaya divachate hayarajan kutumbam paranenava. So their business is very nicely explained. What is that? Nidra, sleeping. Sleeping, kriyate. They waste their life by sleeping. When? At night. Nidra hyate nattam. Or they waste their time in sex life. At night there are two things. One who has no advantage of sex life, he sleeps alone, and if he has got advantage of sex life, he enjoys. So, at night, they waste their life in this way. Nidra hyate nattam babaena savavaya. In this way, their life is being wasted, and at daytime, the divachate hayarajan. At the daytime, simply, where is money? Where is money? Artha means, because to maintain this body, we require money. Divachate hayarajan. All right, if one gets money, then next, kutumba bharanenava. Then shopping. As soon as you get money, then shopping. The wife's bill, yes. So, in this way, day and night, they are simply under the impression of this bodily conception of life. Why they are doing that? Deha patta kalatradi atma sanneshu athasapi teshang pramatta nidhanang passannapi na passati. They are attached because they are attached to this body. Therefore, attached to the children, deha patta means children. And kalatra means wife. Deha patra kalatradi su atma sannesh. This very word, saina means soldier. Here, in the material world, every one of us is struggling very hard. That's a fact, everyone knows. So when we struggle, when we fight, then we must have soldiers. Without soldiers, nobody fights. So they are our soldiers. This body, everyone wants to keep this body fit and maintaining the children and the wife, deha patra kalatradisu. We are thinking that this body and wife and children and home and country and society will save me. I am struggling against, what is that struggling? I do not wish to die. I do not wish to be diseased. I do not wish to become old man. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. I don't wish to get birth again, or I want to stop birth. Janma mrityu, I want to stop death. I want to stop disease, and I want to stop old age. These are the activities, material activities. Struggling again. And I am thinking that these soldiers, or this my body, or my wife, my children will protect me. Deha patta kalatradisu atmasan asasati. Although I am experiencing every day that they are asat, they will not exist. How do I know? They will not exist. My father has died, my mother has died, my grandfather has died, therefore I will also die, and my next generation, he will also die, my wife also will die. So everybody will die. Asastati. They know by experience that they will not exist, but still their business has become to struggle for existence. Deha patta kalatradisu, these are very important subject matter. Try to understand. we know that nobody will exist. I want to exist. That is my intention. I do not wish to die. I want to exist. But I know also that all these my soldiers, including my this stout and strong body, it will also not exist. Dehapatra kalapradishu tesang pramatta. Pramatta means crazy, mad. Pramatta nidhanam, distraction. Nidhanam pasyan. Pasyan means although he is seeing every day, every moment, just like Maharaj Yudhishthira was questioned by Jamaraj, what is the most wonderful thing in this world? Can you say? Maharaj Yudhishthira immediately replied, what is that? Ahannahanni lokani gachanti jamamandiram. Every moment, every second, every day, every night, there are so many hundreds and thousands of living entities as they are going to the temple of death or dying. Annahani lokani gachanti jamamandiram. Tesha sthitamichan. But one who is living, he is thinking that I will not die. I will live for good. That is the most wonderful thing in this world. Nobody is taking experience that I will have to meet death. And what is next after death? What I was before my birth. Why I am here. Why I am struggling so hard. I want to be happy. I want to be peaceful. Why there is no peace?
Tava kripa hale mor kata shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti Vedantanam Ebe Sartha Karo Bhakti Vedantanam Ebe